This is practical exercise showing how to get and display covariance data from ENDF data libraries using web database retrieval system with plotting package Web-ZVView. We start from this internet address and come to ENDF retrieval system. We can use prepared examples, opening this box and clicking on example number 7. We can change material if necessary using help box. For example, in this case we use iridium 193 and we select quantity. Our quantity is covariance of neutron cross sections. When we define criteria for search, then we submit request and find data in ENDF database. We can immediately plot file 33 data, and this is covariance matrix, correlation matrix. We can select range and we can see plotted data in HTML format. So negative numbers are in red and positive in black color. We can change view and other parameters of plot. For example, in this case we select 3D, then make auto range and change color schema to standard. We can also put our plot to clipboard to use it later. Now, for example, I can generate 3D animated plot, and by using normal operation like drag and drop, rotate my picture. What else we can do in this moment? We see here cross-section uncertainties, and if necessary we can call interactive plot of this, and cross-section itself with errors showing as cloud. We can also analyze file 33 structure. In this case it is simple, and we see that using Sylvester criterion we can state that this matrix is non-positive definite. Now I'm going to select another data set and compare two data sets. So I will take end-to-end reaction from Tendel library and display it. Now I see another library. I can also change view, for example to squares, and select standard. Now I will show how to see and analyze data structure. So we take this file 33 structure and we see description what's inside. I can call plotting package for cross sections and also get numbers in simple column text file, and also I can get cross-section uncertainties. In this case we have two components and summary, some of them. So now I'm going to split them on the plot and show them by parts. So I split them and show. I can change the scale, for example, to display them better, and I have a lot of different possibilities for data display. So now we have covariance correlation matrix from Tyndall 2008. And we can compare it, this data, with the data which we stored previously in clipboard from ENDF B7 library. So I just click paste and repaint. Now I have two data sets on the screen. I select another view and I can change size of my picture, for example, increasing X range. So I select here 1000. I can also change here the view, type of view, to 3D plot and run animation, prepare animation. Now I have animated 3D plot, and I can again drag and drop using left mouse button to select the best view. I can also use this place in order to get fixed angle, for example, -60°. What else I can do? For example, if I need to take this plot to PowerPoint presentation, I just say copy image, then call PowerPoint and paste it here. Which is animated on your PowerPoint presentation. Now we return back to internet browser and see what else we can do with our image. So I delete second picture and return back to the original size. We can also see the correlation between different reactions and get another type of formats on the screen. So now it's simple data in triangle, showing as triangle, and also you can get data prepared for reading by Fortran program. I will increase this view, and you see this is matrix for reading Fortran in Fortran program, and at the end we see also piece of Fortran code which showing how to read data. It is really trivial process when to write program reading this data. What could also be useful is to get data again in ENDF 6 format, but in one fixed format using law5. So you can see this data contain now only one type of component, and if you have reading program which will read the ENDF 6 format, you will get it without separation to complex component. So this law, which you saw in previous picture, will be converted to one single presentation type, presentation format. In principle, that's all.